Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Master Dynamic MW07 with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. If this is your first connection and we do not connect your headphones with another device, it will enter to prank mode automatically, and we can see it by this LED light. But if it doesn't, just press and hold this multifunctional button on your right earbud. So press and hold until this LED light starts flashing blue. Now we can see it at the device list, click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!